Imagine a world where MotoGP races are fueled by 100% non-fossil fuels, and cutting-edge technologies like 3D printed spare parts, augmented reality helmets, and circuit drones are the norm. We'll explore MotoGP's ambitious goals for 2024 and beyond as they pioneer a new era of zero-carbon racing and develop innovative technologies that will change the face of motorcycling and mobility industries. Stay with us to see how these incredible advancements in sustainability and technology will not only revolutionize MotoGP, but also impact our planet and everyday vehicles. Hello and welcome to the Motorcycle Lifestyle. First, let's dive into the revolutionary changes MotoGP is making to their fuel sources and how they plan to achieve an incredible 100% non-fossil fuel use by 2027. MotoGP is working with manufacturers and fuel suppliers to create sustainable drop-in fuels that can be used in standard engines and everyday vehicles all over the world. From 2024, all MotoGP classes will require a minimum of 40% non-fossil fuel, and their objective is to achieve 100% non-fossil fuel by 2027. The fuels will be made in labs, using carbon capture methods, municipal waste, or non-food biomass. This new way of making fuel aims to be carbon neutral and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. There are discussions about making MotoGP fully electric, which some believe would negatively impact the event. But for now, let's take a look at some of the exciting new technologies that could soon make their way to MotoGP and revolutionize the sport. The use of 3D printed spare parts is considered a controversial innovation. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has made significant progress in recent years and has numerous potential applications in MotoGP. Racing teams may be able to use 3D printers at the track in the future, allowing them to produce customized spare parts instantly. Utilizing 3D printing technology to produce complex spare parts takes a lot of time, which is a major challenge. But with the technology's advancements, it is anticipated that the printing times will significantly reduce, thus making the process more viable for the fast-paced world of MotoGP in the future. The ability to produce spare parts on demand has several benefits for racing teams. First, it allows for more efficient repairs, as teams will no longer need to wait for a spare part to be shipped or sourced from a warehouse. This could translate to quicker turnaround times for repairs and more time on the track for the riders. Furthermore, by having a 3D printer available, teams can produce personalized solutions that are tailored to their precise requirements. To illustrate, if a particular part is problematic or has a high failure rate, an engineer can rapidly create and print an improved version that is more suitable for the distinct challenges of a specific race or track environment. The flexibility and customization options offered can potentially revolutionize the way MotoGP teams carry out repairs and maintenance. By having the ability to create spare parts when needed and come up with personalized solutions, teams can stay ahead in terms of technology and innovation. In addition, adopting 3D printed spare parts can result in reduced expenses for racing teams, since they won't have to keep a large stock of spare parts. This can allow teams to allocate their resources towards other aspects of the team, like rider training and research and development. Augmented reality (AR) technology is being integrated into the MotoGP world, with the potential to change the way riders and teams communicate during races. Augmented reality helmets are already in place for mechanics and box personnel and could soon be extended to riders. This will provide exciting opportunities for improving their racing experience and performance. Picture this: a rider wearing an AR helmet receives real-time information about their motorcycle's status directly in their field of vision. This data is seamlessly overlaid onto the environment around them and could include critical information such as tire temperature, fuel levels, lap times, or even a live feed of their current position in the race. With this wealth of data at their fingertips, riders would be able to make informed decisions on the fly, enabling them to push their machines to the absolute limit while maintaining full awareness of the condition of their motorcycle. AR helmets can not only offer important data about a motorcycle's performance, but also enable communication between riders and their teams. This means that a rider could receive strategic advice or real-time updates on the competition's performance without any need to look away from the racetrack. With this direct communication, riders could react promptly to any changes in the race conditions and make informed decisions confidently. In addition to its practical benefits, using AR helmets in MotoGP could enhance fans' viewing experience by providing more immersive and thrilling options. For instance, live camera feeds from the riders' helmets could be directly streamed, enabling fans to watch the race from their favorite rider's point of view. As a result, when combined with virtual reality (VR) technology, this could allow fans to experience the action as if they were really there, providing unparalleled excitement. Combining open communication technology and helmet cameras in MotoGP can change how fans perceive motorcycle racing. It allows fans to view the race from the rider's point of view by capturing footage directly from their helmets. This unique approach brings fans closer to the action and makes it more exciting. Imagine being able to strap on a virtual reality VR headset and instantly immerse yourself in MotoGP's high-octane, adrenaline-fueled world. Experience the thrilling sensation of racing from your favorite rider's perspective. You'll feel the wind rushing past your face, the intense forces of acceleration and braking, and the concentrated effort needed to navigate each hairpin turn at lightning speeds. The engine's deafening roar and the crowd's enthusiastic cheers will surround you as you cross the finish line, all from the comfort of your living room. To enhance immersion, we can combine helmet cameras with virtual reality devices. Broadcasting live footage from these cameras to viewers, they can switch between riders and view the race from different angles. By doing so, fans can better understand the strategies, quick decision-making, and impressive capabilities required in competitive motorcycle racing. This customizable viewing experience is interactive and offers unmatched insight into the sport. In addition to providing an exciting perspective of the race from the rider's point of view, this immersive experience could offer new opportunities for fan engagement and education. Fans may access real-time data, including rider telemetry, to gain a better understanding of the complexities of motorcycle racing. Additionally, virtual reality could enable fans to participate in professional riders' practice sessions and learn essential techniques for aspiring racers or enthusiasts looking to enhance their riding abilities. Now we come to the really fun part: drones. The rapid advancement of drone technology has made a significant impact on various industries, including transportation and logistics. In the near future, it's possible that remote-controlled vehicles may be introduced to MotoGP races, leading to enhanced performance and the potential for more exciting track designs and spectator experiences with evolving technology. The idea is to add remote-controlled motorcycles to MotoGP races, which will operate alongside human riders. These motorcycles will not have riders on them, allowing them to push past physical limits and safety precautions. Since they will be able to execute amazing moves, such as tight turns at fast speeds, they could potentially change the outlook of motorcycle racing completely. If circuit drones are introduced in MotoGP races, the racetracks could become more thrilling and adventurous. The track designs may include loops, leaps, and other gravity-defying stunts to challenge the piloting skills of the drones. Spectators would be fascinated by the breathtaking aerial acrobatics of the competing drones. Furthermore, incorporating drones into MotoGP racing could improve the fans' viewing experience by providing them with exciting and distinct perspectives of the event. Swift aerial drones can trail the racers, filming dynamic shots from previously inaccessible angles. This innovation would introduce an entirely novel way for the audience to enjoy the thrill and intensity of MotoGP. Furthermore, the incorporation of remote-controlled vehicles into MotoGP races could also encourage innovation within the sport. As teams design and perfect their drone technologies, the discoveries made could potentially be transferred to regular motorcycles, resulting in advancements in performance, safety, and efficiency. MotoGP is moving towards a new era of zero-carbon racing by using sustainable fuels and new technologies such as 3D printing, augmented reality helmets, and circuit drones. These innovations will bring exciting new experiences to fans and competitors, while also addressing the need to reduce carbon emissions and promote sustainability globally. It's uncertain if MotoGP's green and innovative future will be thrilling, but it's certain that we're in for an exciting ride. So, are you prepared for it? Until then, ride safe, and remember, life is short. Ride more motorcycles.